Hey everyone, so I actually had, I've got like 2 more videos in the queue, but I got my Simply Gilded box for October today. So I wanted to get this video up as fast as possible. So let's just get right to it. As you can see, the theme for this month is called Fantasy Floral. So there's like dark gray background and then just watercolor florals, rose gold foiling. So let's open this pretty baby up. All right. Oh, ooh. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so y'all know the drill. We're gonna go through these one by one and let's just see what we got here. So as I just showed, here is the glitter barrel gel pen, and she has redone this for this month. It is a click style this time and rose gold hardware. So let's see how they work. So as with others, it's got that nice gel ink, really good ink flow, smooth writing, and it actually doesn't feel like this glitter. Let's see how, well, glitter doesn't come off, so pretty well made, a little bit heavy, but I really like this. It's got the little clip here, and I like that it's a clicker, so I'm hoping that maybe that's what we'll start to see soon enough. Okay. Next, we have a surprise item in this beautiful little velvet bag, and it is the bracelet. I have seen these things. I keep trying to make these things a surprise, but others beat me to posting theirs on Instagram, so it's inevitable. I oftentimes do see what the box theme is going to be. So that's really pretty. Rose gold hardware with the little bows on it. It's going to be a little too small to fit my wrist. Might have to stretch it out a little bit, but that's really cute and pretty. Next, we have the velvet bow clip and charm in the matching pink velvet. Oh, that's cute. And it's a wide paper clip, which I really like. My bow looks a little wonky though. That's cute. Wonder if I can like tighten. Nope, it is there. Oh, maybe you can like tighten it slightly. I don't want to mess it up too much, but really pretty little velvet bow there, and then a nice little charm to put on the front of your notebook. Okay, which I guess is supposed to go that way. That way you don't see the back side. And rose gold hardware as well with that one. And then the next thing are the 5 washi tapes, and I really love these little bags. This will be the 3rd little cloth bag that we get like this. The other 2 were from the paper and crane box and then the lavender box. But it's very well made, beautiful cloth, very smooth, and then inside is pink striped and rose gold hardware. And ooh, look at these washies, y'all. Those are gorgeous. So you get 5 washi tapes this month, and it's a little bit different because you get more of the 10mm and then one of the 15, which is what I would call a standard washi. So you've got these 2 that coordinate, that have the black background with the watercolor florals. And then this one matches with that and then has some letters on it. So go get it, take a chance, slay, dream bigger. And then you get 2 pinks that coordinate. So this one's got kind of a scallopy lace design, and then this one is stripes. All of them have rose gold hardware. So those are really pretty. I like the dark floral. And then here we have the heart-shaped sticky notes, which are in a very fun color, solid pink with a rose gold edge. Those are really pretty. And then we've got the Traveler's Notebook insert, saddle stitched with pink thread. And I imagine that it is probably blank on the inside, which is what has been kind of coming standard here lately. And again, this is a pocket size. So if you are into pocket Traveler's Notebooks, this would be a wonderful sub box for you. I typically just leave these out of a notebook and just use them to take notes on. So they're really handy to have. Ooh, these are gorgeous. So we've got the floral bow sticker seals. Those are super pretty. Very, very nice box so far. And then we've got the Live Boldly journaling card in that black background with the watercolor floral. And then lastly, we have the Luxe sticker sheets, and we're getting 2. So I guess this will be standard from now on. We get 2 sticker sheets. So here are your days of the week, and then to-dos and reminders, some appointment meeting stickers, little page flags, some other little different kinds of letters, and then the checklists. And then the other sheet has more reminders and some decorative ones, more page flags, and then some full boxes. So those are really pretty. So that is everything for this kit. What do y'all think of this kit? I think it's gorgeous. I love the dark. It's very fall looking to me. I love the dark with the floral. I think it's a really beautiful way to pop things. So super happy with this kit. I'm definitely gonna have to use it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. These are probably my favorite videos to do, the unboxings. I don't know why I like doing them. I just do. I think it's fun to be able to just like open everything up and, you know, give my opinions and everything. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe for future videos. If you would like to see some more, give this video a thumbs up. And I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.